from Charge Murder Medics. I've got a Toyota Yaris here on a 2005-2006 plate, just doing a position lamp. I've already done that side, so I have got a video available for the passenger side front one. It'll be under part 1 for a position lamp, and it'll be in the playlist as well for Toyota as well as the bulbs. Now I'm going to do the passenger side one. I'm going to show you first. If you switch the lights on, as you can see, that one there is working, but this one here isn't. I'm going to show you how it's done. Switch your lights off, please. If you come in, it's the brown plug right there. This is a quite awkward one, so you can't really get your fingers in there or whatever. So what you might have to do is move the wires back a little bit, and then get your thumb and the finger, twist it to your left, no sorry, twist it to your right, and then pull the whole thing out. Now just remember about this seal, do not drop the seal anywhere, and if there is damage, change it if you can, because that stops the water from going in. Now this is the bulb that you need, a 501. If you did need one, it'll be in the description, it'll be a link there as well where to get it from, and that's it. So I'm going to put this new one in. So there's only one way the new one would go. Got it in there. I'm going to now try to slot it in through that gap hole right there. So nope, that's not the way. That's not the way. So I'm going to see which way is it. That's the way. So that's how it is. And then I twist that to my left. So make sure it's in there. That's it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just check the lights and see, make sure it's working. Could you switch the lights on, please? As you can see now, this one's working as well as that one. Lights off. That's all you got to do on this particular model. It is a Toyota Yaris 2006-2005 plate, and if there's anything else, just leave us a message. We'll try helping you out, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.